Are your thoughts running wild? Do you find it hard to focus? Let's talk about a powerful tool that can help: meditation. Meditation isn't just a moment of peace. It's a journey into the mind that can calm the storm within, sharpen your focus, and paint your world with positivity. Imagine being able to steer your thoughts rather than being driven by them. That's the power of meditation. Through meditation, you can regain control of your thoughts and channel them towards positivity. You might be wondering, how do I meditate? Well, let's delve into the basics. Meditation, at its core, is about mindfulness, presence, and tranquility. It is a skill, much like cycling or playing an instrument, that blossoms with regular practice. First and foremost, make it a priority to set aside some time each day for meditation. Even a mere 5 minutes a day can make a considerable difference. Next, find a quiet space where you can meditate without interruptions. This could be a corner of your room, a place in your garden, or even a park bench. Then assume a comfortable posture. You could sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down, as long as your posture allows you to remain alert and relaxed. Each meditation session is a step towards mastering the art of mindfulness, and with consistent practice, you'll find your ability to focus and stay present improving significantly. Remember, the goal of meditation isn't to control your thoughts, but to stop them from controlling you. Now I will guide you through a simple meditation technique designed to foster positive thinking. Let's begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down, whichever is most comfortable for you. Once you're settled, close your eyes. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Let go of any tension you might be holding onto. Now focus on your breath. Take a deep and slow breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, then gently exhale through your mouth. Continue to breathe in this manner, letting each breath calm your mind and relax your body. Now you're ready to start the visualization. I want you to picture a small bright light in the center of your mind. This light represents positivity. Watch as it grows brighter and larger, filling your entire mind with its warm, radiant glow. As you continue to breathe, imagine this light expanding even further, reaching every corner of your body. From the top of your head down to the tips of your toes, let every part of you be touched by this positive light. It's a comforting, soothing light that brings with it a sense of peace and contentment. It's natural for negative thoughts to arise during meditation. When this happens, acknowledge these thoughts, but don't dwell on them. Gently dismiss them and return your focus to the positive light. You are in control of your mind, and you choose to fill it with positive thoughts. Feel free to stay in this meditative state for as long as you like, basking in the positive energy you've created. When you're ready to come out of it, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. As you end your meditation, carry this sense of positivity with you. Let it influence your thoughts and actions throughout the day. This technique is a powerful tool you can use anytime to cultivate positivity in your life. Remember, positivity is a choice. Choose it, embrace it, and watch as it transforms your world. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's a path that every individual must tread at their own pace, and it's a practice that can be incorporated into your everyday life. You don't need to set aside an hour or even half an hour to begin with. Starting with just a few minutes each day can make a significant difference. Consider those few minutes as a personal oasis of calm in a bustling day, a time to center yourself and cultivate positivity. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you might find yourself naturally wanting to extend this time, to immerse yourself deeper into the tranquil waters of meditation. It's important to remember that you may encounter bumps along the way. Some days your mind might feel like a wild horse, refusing to be reined in. Other days you might find yourself struggling to carve out those few minutes for meditation. But it's in these moments that the true power of perseverance shines through. Persistence is the key. It's about coming back to your practice every day, regardless of how the previous day went. It's about gently but firmly directing your thoughts back towards positivity, even if they veer off course. So as you embark on this meditation journey, remember that each step, each breath, each moment of mindfulness is a victory. It's a step towards a more peaceful, more focused, and positively radiant you. Remember, every step you take on this journey brings you closer to a calmer, more focused, and positively radiant you.